Nowadays, in accordance with its importance, factory automation is proceeding in any field. Automation of appearance inspection is also proceeding, which is essential for quality assurance. Industrial products, such as electronic parts including semiconductor and connector, plastics, pharmaceuticals, food and beverage are daily necessaries and others. All these products, which may cause functional disability, will be omitted, judged by appearance defects. With automating processes, which used to be done by human hands and eyes, it enhances speed and accuracy of manufacturing, and stability and quality. As a result, it makes possible to reduce labor costs and product price. However, machine vision is not universal. Because the ability of human eyes and hands are quite high, it is more than difficult to replace all the functions to be automated. So, we, ViSCO Technologies, develop our products from the perspective of understanding the nature of technology that can replace human eyes. This technological background assures high performance of ViSCO's machine vision. Kazuhito Tsuji. Images all the way.